Last week, a 19-year-old student built and sold a complete website to a local restaurant for $2,000 using artificial intelligence. Today, we are going to build a fully functional e-commerce store from scratch without writing a single line of code. We're using an application called Cursor AI. Instead of a traditional code editor, Cursor acts like a master builder waiting for your plain English instructions. You don't need a computer science degree or any technical background. The process of instructing this application is similar to explaining a task to a friend or an employee. Web development has moved beyond memorizing technical syntax. Now the process focuses on how clearly you can communicate your requirements. To start, download and install Cursor AI. Once that's ready, create a new empty folder on your desktop. Open the Cursor application and drag that empty folder directly into the workspace. While the interface looks like a standard code editor, your primary tool is the prompt box. This is where you'll give all your instructions. The blank screen of traditional coding has been replaced by a simple input field, waiting for your first command. To get a useful result, your prompts need to be specific. Vague requests lead to generic layouts, so we will focus on structural details. We'll enter a master prompt. I want a landing page. It should have a hero section, a product grid showing items, and a contact form. As soon as you press enter, the AI begins mapping out the site. This diagram shows how the structural logic blocks materialize the moment the prompt is processed. Behind the scenes, the AI generates the core files and folders required to make the website function. Simultaneously, it builds the visual layout. The header, the product grid, and the footer elements all snap into place. Within seconds, that empty desktop folder has been transformed into a populated web directory. Generating this layout in seconds replaces the hours of precise typing and manual styling usually required to build a structured page. Now that the files are ready, let's open the live preview to see the e-commerce store in action. We have an intentional layout bug here. The Buy Now button in the product grid is misaligned and overlapping the text. There is no reason to panic when you encounter an error. These bugs are a standard part of the development workflow. Instead of searching through the code, simply describe the problem to the AI. The Buy Now button is misaligned and overlapping the text. Fix it. The AI analyzes the layout, identifies the conflicting lines, and rewrites the specific code block to resolve the overlap. The update is applied instantly, resulting in a perfectly aligned layout in your live preview. Debugging is now a conversation. The AI handles the technical correction, which removes the traditional barriers to fixing software. Now that you can build and fix a site, the focus shifts to monetization. Local businesses, like cafes and restaurants, often have outdated websites that don't represent their brand well. You can offer to modernize their digital presence for free initially. This allows you to build a portfolio and secure a verified testimonial. Once you have a strong testimonial, you can begin charging for your services. As this chart shows, you can scale from that initial free project to rates of $500 or even $1,000 per site. Your value to the business owner is providing a modernized digital storefront in a fraction of the time a traditional agency would take. In just a few minutes, we've gone from a blank folder to a functional site, fixed a technical bug, and established a business strategy. The tools are available for you right now. You can download the software and build your first landing page today. This approach to building is sometimes called vibe coding. For those who want to study this in depth, the Agaz Institute provides a structured path. Their AI in Hands and Be a Founder programs are 3-month tracks that cover AI agents, automations, and client acquisition in detail. The ability to build software is now accessible to anyone who can give clear instructions. Invest in learning these AI tools today to start building as a founder.